Hey everybody, I guess you recognize the video from 30 seconds ago, 30 minutes ago. So, I have the MDL sync module hooked up, the System Sensor MDL sync module. So this is going to be my first time testing the sync module by itself, syncing these two alarms. And to prove to you, the MDL sync module can sync up both Specter Alert Advanced and Specter Alert Classic devices. So anyways, let's get this over with. Here we go. Okay, as you can see, that's how it is. Alright, I'll show the MDL sync module in a separate video, but for right now, I hope you enjoyed the synced test, and that'll be it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.